It all started in 1952. In a land where the word we use for things done well and conscientiously and that are essentially good is ONA. The name is far from coincidental and represents expertise, innovation and leadership, positioning ourselves today as the EDM manufacturer with the most extensive track record and highest level of specialization in the world. Because doing things well means doing them based on the reliability that more than 70 years of experience, our presence in 60 countries, and the installation of more than 15,000 machines brings. ONA means being pioneers and keeping the focus on continuous research and in-house development of EDM technologies that seek maximum profitability and quality. Combining the potential of our applications department focused on solving specific challenges and our powerful R&D&i team that also collaborates with the best research centers. ONA means working with dedication and with the goal of providing you with the most reliable solution, with the highest profitability, optimizing your investments to the greatest possible extent. But above all, it means the cooperation of the 150 people who work based in 8 different countries, far apart and yet close together, joining forces and each giving our best to offer quality, reliability and agility in each of our projects. A team that leads change, that continues to improve and pursues evolution and constant innovation, always looking for new opportunities to respond to the requirements of key sectors, whatever the challenges they present. To become possibly the best EDM option in the world. Because doing things right means thinking about the future, betting on innovative materials, processes and solutions to contribute to the circular economy and leave less of a footprint on our planet. To compete globally with the most advanced technology and drive progress wherever our customers are, faithful to an origin and a unique way of doing things, authentic. A way of doing things that we call ONA.